Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Colourpop stick foundation. It's actually called, let me get the name right, No Filter Foundation Stick. It retails for $10. I had no idea they were coming out with the foundation stick, okay? And when I saw it online, I was like, I love foundation sticks. You guys know I wear the Maybelline foundation stick a lot. I feel like they're easy to travel with, you know? I love foundation sticks, okay? So in this video, you guys are gonna see me color match the foundation. I feel like the colors look just like the liquid foundation, and I'm usually like 175-ish, but you'll see me swatch them all on my face. You're gonna see my first impression. I just got this package this morning, so I've only tried it on my hand. Like I haven't, nothing at all, okay? And I'm kind of excited because I go hard for the Maybelline stick foundation. You guys know this. Like, look at my hand. You know this? And I know a lot of people complained about the amount of product you get in the Maybelline stick foundation. I actually have it right here. It's 0.25 ounces, and this is like $11. The Colourpop is 0.34 ounces, and it's $10, so you do get a little more product. I know that's important for a lot of people, but yeah, let's just jump right into it. I can't wait to try it. Let's get started. Are you guys like looking into my soul right now? Hold on. This is a little too close. 1 second. All right, so here is the applicator. It's white. Let me just show you how much product comes out of here. Like, I'm not mad at this at all. There she is. I'm gonna start just on one side and just keep swatching until I get to the other side. This is 161N. Wait, hold up. Let me get this mirror up in here. Wait, can you see that? See that? I need a mirror. Hello. All right, this is 161N. See that there? It actually kind of goes on darker, I feel like, lighter, I'm sorry, than it looks. And I think the liquid foundation did that too. So 161N, definitely not my shade. It's not bad. That might be my winter color. 167. I know a lot of you guys are probably looking at this and thinking this is like a perfect match, but it is. It's like a perfect match for my face, but my body is darker, so I don't like to match my face. I like to match my body, you know? But 167 may work. All right, 175, that could work too. All right, this is 177. Ooh, that one's way too pink. In person, it looks pink. That's 177 cool. 190, a little too dark. 197 warm. 190, 197. There's kind of like a big jump here. And I don't know if they didn't send me all of the product maybe, because I got two 190s. But I'm not mad at like this gradient, how it goes from light to dark. I feel like I'm this shade, right? Yeah. This one is looking pretty good. That is 167. I might contour with this actually. All right, y'all know the drill. Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, look at it. Like I still haven't gone through this. I know it's like, I think it's like 50 bucks. It's up there, it's kind of expensive, but it lasts a while. I just love it. Ow. I kind of like almost poked my eye just right now. So I don't know if you guys remember, but the last liquid foundation right in this area, it kind of turned grayish, and I talked about it in the video. So I'm hoping the stick foundation doesn't do it. I hope they fixed it. We gonna see. So I'm gonna apply 167W all over, and I'm gonna contour with 197W. Let's see. Don't disappoint me. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put it right here and blend it and make sure this color's right, because you never know. Like, what color was I last time? 170? Ooh, this looks good. What is this? Lint? Get out of here. Ooh. All right, I can put more on. This is definitely it. This foundation feels and looks pretty matte, like a natural matte, so it doesn't have like a luminous, well, it has like a natural finish, okay? It's definitely not like thick and glossy. It feels really lightweight. Okay, we're liking it. We're liking how it feels. The actual consistency is like a little drier. So if you've ever tried Smashbox or Maybelline, do you know how like when you touch it, it's really creamy? This has a little bit more of like a dry finish, which could be good, could be bad. We're gonna see. Okay, so far I'm like liking what I see here. Cover the lips. Let me get a mirror and look up close because I need to see what's happening up in here. Not too shabby. I'm not mad at this. Okay, I'm not mad at this at all. Let's add a little more. All right, so this is definitely a medium buildable to a full coverage foundation. I like how it looks though. Last time with the liquid foundation, I liked it until it oxidized, so I did notice it oxidized. So we're gonna see if this one does the same thing, but just like right now, I really like how it looks, okay? Boom, that's the verdict. We like it so far. I low-key just wanna sit here for a second and look at it. See if it changes colors. There's no scent either. Like it doesn't smell like anything. This foundation is, well, all Colourpop is vegan. No scent. So far, so good. Okay, I'm gonna put concealer on. I'm gonna use the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in Ginger. I've been wearing this for a few weeks now. I like it. It's definitely like thick. It's a thicker concealer and it definitely gets thicker as you wear it. Not like throughout the day on your face, but like the actual product in the container. Like the longer I have it, the thicker it kind of feels. Let's blend this bad boy in. Oh, I forgot to wet my sponge. I love foundation reviews so much. Like you guys know this. I like review, well, I don't review every foundation, but I do a lot of foundation reviews because I know so many people have difficult time finding their foundation or liking a foundation. So I don't know, I think it's important to review as many as possible. The only foundations that I don't review are, I don't want to say like luxury brands, but yeah, luxury brands because they usually put a lot of fragrance in their foundations and she will break out, okay? So I'm just like not trying to take that type of risk ever. This is looking pretty good. Put a little bit under the cheek here. I always add a little concealer under here, okay? Carve out those cheekbones. Yes. Ma'am. All right, so I'm gonna go in with 197 and we are gonna contour the face. Yes, we are. Gonna snatch this face right up. Let's contour the nose a little bit too. Over here. Hopefully I don't forget to blend this out. You guys remember when that happened? Let me do that first. Because I will forget. Just a little bit right there. I'm gonna use my same Smashbox, what is it, blurring foundation brush. And we're just gonna blend this out. I love that this has like kind of a cooler undertone. I always contour with colors that have a cooler undertone because when I naturally get darker, like from the sun, I mean, not like, you know what I mean? When I get darker, I tend to get a little bit more like reddish. And so I feel like when you contour with a reddish color, it just looks more natural. And anything else will like look gray, honestly. Ooh, she's cute. I'm like wondering if I'm gonna think this is oily. See like how there's like that sheen? I don't know, we're gonna see though. I kind of feel like I look moist, like hydrated. All right, I'm just blending in the nose contour. I do have a video on snatching the nose. If you guys want like more details about this, you can check that out. We're just snatching her real quick. This is looking really good. This is looking really good. It's a lot better than the liquid foundation. It's not oxidizing and doing weird things. Honestly though. All right, let's put powder on. I'm gonna set my foundation with the Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. Or should I do Blondie? No, wait. Do I wanna be snatched and highlighted for the gods? Or do I want my makeup to be natural? We're gonna snatch it up real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Studio Fix Studio Fix C6. When I was in Indonesia the past week, I just used the Huda Beauty loose powder because I wanted like a little bit more of a natural finish, but I forgot we back. Okay, we back. We ain't on vacay no more. All right, so this is C6, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. Yeah, because we need to see how this looks, okay? Let's see how she does with the studio fix. Let's see what happens up in here. I'm gonna set the darker parts of my face with the Guerlain 07 Terracotta Bronzer. Set this up in here. Ooh, I'm so happy that this foundation is not oxidizing. Oh, definitely looks a little bit glossy. Like the longer I wear it, the more glossy it's looking. So I'm about to, let's bake real quick and see what happens. It's like, what's going on? It's like a really natural gloss. Like I feel like right here you can see that my skin has like a natural glow. The only area that I'm kind of concerned about is like here, because I don't like to be shiny here. But everything else I like. Just, I'm noticing, you know, a natural dewiness. All right, so I'm gonna bake with the Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. And this is a Laura Mercier powder puff, like a must have, honestly. We're just gonna bake on top of the eyes too, because I don't know if I'm putting eyeshadow on yet. I have to see how I feel. We're doing a lot of baking, because bake, bake, bake. Do you guys see me right now, or what? Like, do you guys see what's happening here? Okay. I look like a child that got into the powder. That's all I'm gonna say. I look like a little child that got into their parents' powder. Like, who bakes like that, honestly? Like, have I ever baked before, or no? All right, that's a little better. Wipe this off. I always bake the bottom part of my face for the least amount of time, like 5 seconds. And then we're gonna leave this here. So far, so good. I feel like the baking's gonna help with the little natural shine. I mean, I don't mind it. You know, it's definitely like a natural finish. I just don't want to get oily throughout the day, but. Let's wipe this off. Let's wipe this off. Wipe this off. Wipe everything off. All right, so the baking definitely got rid of the little shine. You can see there's a little bit on my forehead where I didn't bake, but it got rid of the shine. So what I'm gonna do is just let my face sit for about an hour. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and just let it chill and see how my skin responds to the foundation. So I will be right back. Okay, so I was supposed to do like a quick little lash look because I wanted this to be all about the foundation, but then my hands just went to work, okay? Like literally, like I was like, I'll do something natural, and then boom, boom, pow. I'm like, oh, okay, dramatic smoky eye. I'm wearing the Friendcation palette from Desi x Katy, Dose of Colors. I have on my Boomin and Pose highlight. Boomin and Pose highlight and my Drippin gloss from Colourpop, because I know you guys are gonna ask. But here's the finished look, you guys. I am pleasantly surprised. I actually thought for a second, I was like, okay, this is starting to look, the foundation that is, starting to look kind of creamy, like a little too creamy. But once I put powder on, once it's set, it's fine. It looks like, I feel like my skin just looks really healthy. I mean, that's probably from the keto. No, but really it looks just smooth. I guess that's the look. I'm here for it. $10, honey. Okay, $10, make you holla. I mean, I don't know why I said that, but I'm here for the $10 foundation, okay? I feel like if you have dry skin, you're probably gonna like this foundation by itself without any powder, because it does give like a nice, just like natural, not a glow, because I feel like that can be scary, you know, but it gives the skin like just a really natural, hydrated, moist, if you will, kind of look. If you have oily skin or combination skin like me, definitely use a powder and bake, okay? But I'm happy about it. I'm excited. I definitely like this a lot better than the liquid foundation. I think you guys are gonna like it. I think for $10, you guys are gonna love it, actually. Thank you guys so much for watching my review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, and last but not least, strut and slay. Quick little lash look and just focus on, okay. 1, 2, 3. My face, obviously. What? I said hi, but it was probably like, I got water and I got coffee, okay? Honestly though, make sure I'm not ashy. Hey guys, welcome back. Oh wait, hold up. Oh, I have two of the same color. Okay. And the winner is